All right, here it is. This is the new VR Performance Valvetronic exhaust for the Gen 2 Ford Raptor 2017 to 21. We've got a Raptor up there on the lift. We've got the new exhaust here. This is a full new system, full cap back, so the downpipes bolt up here. We've got the Valvetronic dump. That way when the valve is open, exhaust gas goes right down to the ground. And we've coupled this with a nice high flow muffler you can see here. Now for the exit, it uses the factory rear tip section that goes up and over the axle. So you can either run the stock tips or if you have cutouts or something like that. The whole exhaust has been bead blasted, so it's got this cool satin looking finish to it. So now we're going to get this thing installed, see what it looks like, and then we'll get some awesome sound clips of it driving. So we are here inside the Raptor, and I want to show you guys how the remote operation works. Yes, I had to make a video for this, but you know what, it's pretty straightforward. So here it is. This is the remote, and right now the exhaust is closed. When I press the button, the exhaust opens. Closed. Now you can hear what it sounds like from the inside. This is going to be closed. This is open. So that's how the remote works. You can keep this anywhere. You're not switching back and forth, so you press it where you want it and then set it aside in one of these handy dandy areas. So let's see how the exhaust sounds from the outside.